You guys, you're so lucky. Yeah, there's a guy on here called Roplong. Roplong showed me how to land a remote job on LinkedIn. And I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. Roplong, I just want to say a very big thank you to you. A remote job that can pay you that high. Remember the video that I uploaded about a data analyst who's earning 1.5 million naira weekly? And many of you, we had outing Thomases, we had people who testify that, yes, I know somebody who's earning over 100K dollars. Some said yearly, some say hour, some said daily. Somebody said 286 point something thousand naira daily. Monday, this is your earning. Tuesday, this is your earning. Yeah, so a guy on here, Roplong, thank you so much. Roplong told me how to actually get a remote job on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, that's why I said you guys treat your LinkedIn pages very seriously. Use your LinkedIn as your portfolio. Okay, you can also land a remote role on LinkedIn. So come while I show you how to apply for remote jobs on LinkedIn. Come.
So we are using our mobile phone to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to click on that in symbol that you can see there. That's for my LinkedIn. I'm going to click on that and it's take me right to my page. And right here on my search, whatever, I'm going to search for hiring data analyst. Type in the keyword hiring data analyst or click on that, right? And then you're going to see posts, people posting jobs. These people, why this is more effective is because these people want you to work for them. They probably are working with bigger firms and they have so much things to do. They just want to like split their tax and they pay you remotely. Click on posts. Under that hiring data analyst, you see options like jobs, post. Please click on post. On post, you see people who want your service, people who want you to work ASAP with them. Okay, scroll down, you can see buyer trader, data analyst, work from home opportunity, apply here, send your CV. And please, when you are sending your CV, make sure your CV is tailored to what they want, the demands of the job posting. Scroll down, you see options. This is the most effective, right? This is the most effective. Apply. This is where you can apply and then you can land the role that pays you over ₦1 million. It could be weekly, it could be monthly. Okay, scroll down, click on post, and then if you want the most recent date, just as you can see on your screen, you see sort by, you see posted. Click on that date posted, okay, and click on past 24 hours. This past 24 hours is going to show you the most recent hours this job were posted. Click on the past 24 hours. If you want like a week ago, it's up to you, but the most effective is past 24 hours. So when you click on that, you're going to see a job that was posted like an hour ago, that was posted 2 hours ago. It shows you the most recent job posting. You see a job that was posted like some minutes ago, and this gives you a better chance to land the role because it's like first come first serve. As long as you're good, okay, they won't get, if they see somebody that they want, they don't need to grant interview with the others. Okay, so when you click on that past 24 hours, you're going to see jobs posted 19 hours ago. You can see that 21 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 15 hours ago. Yeah, you can see 14 hours ago, you can see 20 hours ago, you can see 15 hours ago. There's so many opportunities. Don't sleep on these guys. Roplong, thank you so much for sharing this update with us. You guys, say a very big thank you to Roplong. Okay, he's the one who showed me this. Ever since I've been applying on jobs via LinkedIn, I just go to jobs and click on jobs. I've never clicked on posts. Please click on post. You see people, data analysts, people who are already working, who want to like split their tax. They want to get their job done because they have so many things on their decks. They split their tax, they pay you, and do you know how much they are earning? So next, I'm going to be showing you how to use your desktop, your laptop to apply for
So I'm
jobs.
going to be using my laptop now to apply for jobs, right? I have my LinkedIn already opened up. So what I'm going to do is come to my search bar here and type hiring data analysts, right? Double click on that and wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm going to click on post. So you have several options here. You have posts, people, jobs, groups, companies, schools, courses, events, what have you. But your major focus right now is posts. Do you want posts or do you want jobs? Yes, let's click on posts. You want posts. This is where you have people who want like an assistant to do their job for them as a data analyst, right? And here you can land an opportunity that can pay you over ₦1 million.
Yeah, so you guys should be grateful to Roplong for giving us this update. I've been using LinkedIn for quite some time now, and I've not really explored this part. Right, so instead of you waiting for job posting, you can come here and search for job posting yourself. Come to posts, right, and scroll down. You see people who are looking to hire. We are hiring data analysts, right? Look at, you can view job here, yeah, and apply. And then if you want the most recent date, okay, you don't want to apply when over 100 people have applied, you can come to date posted and choose in the past 24 hours and choose show results. Yeah, so you see this person posted about 23 hours ago, and you're hiring data analyst, yeah, over 11k followers. Is a HR head of section. This is a cool pick if you want to apply. Yeah, and then scroll down, you see several options. Alarm.com is hiring data analyst role. Okay, and Roplong said it is very, very what did he say? It's possible you can even earn, when I said over 1.5, you can even earn way more, right? So this is where you have to go about it. You're using your desktop to apply for jobs. Okay, so yeah, these are people who are looking to hire, to help them do part of their job, and they pay you so that they get their work done. Okay, so let's go back to our post. Let's see jobs. So if you don't want to use post, you want to use job, but I feel this post is more effective. It's more effective. You get to see people who are, they are like, how am I going to say this, like they really want you to work for them, like they really need your service ASAP. Do you get? So let's go to jobs now. If you go to jobs, yeah, you see different options. Lagos. Then you can select your date posted and choose past 24 hours. Please always choose your past 24 hours and then click on show results. And then you see 14 hours ago, 9 hours ago. This is what I've been doing when I was applying for jobs. I just come to jobs and choose the most recent posting and apply, right? But I feel the most effective one, if you really want to work remotely, is when you choose the post section. Yeah, so I hope you find this helpful. Big thank you to Roplong for sharing this update with us. Thank you. So you guys, that's how to apply for jobs via LinkedIn. Yeah, you can either use your mobile phone or you can use your desktop, and you don't have any excuse right now. Yeah, so you guys should please say a very big thank you to Roplong, okay, for sharing this update with us. There's no gatekeeping here, all right? So we're all going to grow in this space. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. I hope you find this helpful. Bye.